everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Herleen Dindona, an ICCRC approved consultant. My company's name is Next World Canada Immigration Consulting Inc. and we are located in Ontario, Canada. Today we will discuss about another way of applying for permanent residency of Canada. Before we start, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I regularly post videos on YouTube about Canadian immigration news and updates. Please make sure to press the bell icon as well to get a notification about all the latest updates. Canada offers refugee protection to some people in Canada who fear persecution or who would be in danger if they had to leave. Some dangers they may face include torture, risk to their life, risk of cruel and unusual treatment or punishment. If you feel you could face one of these risks if you go back to your home country or the country where you normally live, you may be able to seek protection in Canada as a refugee. To make a refugee claim, you must be in Canada and you should not be subject to a removal order. If you make a refugee claim, IRCC will decide if it can be referred to the Immigration and Refugee Board of Canada, better known as IRB. The IRB is an independent tribunal that makes decisions on immigration and refugee matters. Your refugee claim may not be eligible to be referred to IRB if you are recognized as a convention refugee by another country that you can return to, or if you were granted protected person status in Canada, or if you arrived via the Canada-United States border, or if you have made a refugee claim in another country as confirmed through information sharing, or if you are not admissible to Canada on security grounds or because of criminal activity or human rights violations, or if you have made a previous refugee claim that was not found eligible, or if you made a previous refugee claim that was rejected by the IRB, or if you abandoned or withdrew a previous refugee claim. The IRB decides who is a convention refugee or a person in need of protection. Convention refugees are outside their home country or the country they normally live in. They are not able to return because of a well-founded fear of persecution based on race, religion, political opinion, nationality, being part of a social group such as women or people of a particular sexual orientation. A person in need of protection is a person in Canada who can't return to their home country safely. This is because if they return, they may face danger of torture, risk to their life, risk of cruel and unusual treatment or punishment. If the IRB accepts your claim, you get protected person status. This means you can stay in Canada and you can apply to become a permanent resident of Canada. If the IRB rejects your claim, you will have to leave Canada. Depending upon your situation, you may be eligible to appeal the IRB's decision. You may also have other options. One of those options is humanitarian and compassionate grounds. So let's understand what are humanitarian and compassionate grounds. People who would not normally be eligible to become permanent residents of Canada may be able to apply on humanitarian and compassionate grounds. So, humanitarian and compassionate grounds apply to people with exceptional cases. IRCC assess these applications on a case by case basis. Factors include how settled the person is in Canada, the general family ties to Canada, the best interest of any children involved in the application, and what could happen to the applicant if IRCC does not grant the request. Other rules that apply to humanitarian and compassionate grounds. You may only ask for humanitarian and compassionate grounds if you are applying for permanent resident status in Canada for a permanent resident visa abroad. IRCC will not look at HNC requests from temporary resident applicants. You cannot have more than one humanitarian and compassionate grounds application at the same time. IRCC will not assess risk factors such as persecution, risk to life, cruel and unusual treatment, or punishment. You cannot apply for HNC grounds if you have a pending refugee claim. If you want to apply, you must withdraw your refugee claim before your Immigration and Refugee Board of Canada hearing. You cannot apply for humanitarian and compassionate grounds if you had a negative decision from the IRB within the last 12 months. This is called the 1-year bar. If the IRB decides your refugee claim is abandoned or withdrawn, that counts as a negative decision. The bar does not apply if you have children under 18 who would be adversely affected if you were removed from Canada, or you have proof that you or one of your dependents suffers from a life-threatening medical condition that cannot be treated in your home country. If you want to know more about these updates, you can email me at the email address shown on your screen, and our office will be more than happy to assist you. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates about Canadian immigration. I will very soon post another video about Canadian immigration. Till then, goodbye and take good care of yourself. Thank you.